back again for this month's Take and Make. With all this warm weather happening, we thought we would put something together outside for the birds. So this month you're going to make your own little peanut butter bird feeder. It's a lot of syllables. So in your pack you're going to get 2 pieces of bread, and they should be kind of stale. I've left this out for a day to make it a little bit hard. I purchased some really fun cookie cutters that we're gonna use. They're actually gonna come in different Easter shapes, so bunny rabbits, stars, eggs, that kind of thing. You obviously will get a little package of bird seed that we're gonna use to feed the birds. We also purchased mini packages of peanut butter. I'm just grabbing a big one here, it makes it easy for me. You'll have pieces of string so that you can hang your feeders outside. And, sorry. You'll have to grab a knife from home, obviously, to spread your peanut butter. And we're gonna throw in a straw so that you can make holes in your little cookie cutter bird feeders. So come a little closer and we'll show you exactly what to do. Okay, everyone, so step 1 is to take whatever cookie cutter you got and put it through your bread to make your mini feeder. I'm just gonna use these 2 here. And like I said, you're gonna wanna have day-old bread. It makes it a lot easier to punch through. Hopefully, I am packing these a day before, so the bread should be good for you to use. Set this aside. Step 2, super cute. We're going to add our peanut butter. And as we were doing our research on this, if you are going to hang your feeder from, say, a tree, or I don't know where else you would hang it, that we would see both sides, but if you're gonna hang it from a tree, you're gonna want to put peanut butter on both sides so that they can snag it. If you're just gonna lay it flat, like against a fence or something like that, you only have to put peanut butter on one side. And really coat it on here. We actually tried this last week when it was a lot warmer out, and you're gonna laugh. So we went to see who was eating our little guys, and it was actually squirrels. So don't be surprised if maybe some other little critters come into view. So next, you can see once I've coated it, I'm just gonna dump it right in the bird's seed and coat it all up for them. Super simple. Last but not least is you're gonna use your straw to make a nice little hole in the center. Let's see if it went all the way through. I could probably do it on both sides just to be sure. There we go. And then, sorry, my hands are so sticky with all the peanut butter. You're gonna put your string right through the center so that you can hang it up above outside. Okay, welcome back everybody. I had to get the peanut butter off my hands. I have to say, the hardest part is getting the string through the hole. So, as mine fell over right here for you, I had to actually invert my feeder, and I did add extra peanut butter. So if you have any breaks, I will show you how to like a little break in between here. I just added some extra peanut butter there to secure it. Once again, kiddos might need a little parental help because it can be frustrating to get that string on through. But all I do is I'm gonna tie it, and tomorrow I'm gonna head outside and hang some of them off my tree and see who comes to visit. Hopefully with all the supplies, you'll be able to make a couple of them, and they could be pretty cute. It's kind of like Christmas and spring. So hopefully you guys are gonna have fun doing this. Send us some photos. See what animals do come out to eat your feeders, because I am curious. Like I said, I had some squirrels steal mine on my trial run. So hope you guys are having a great day and enjoy this Take and Make.